live from San Diego, California, United States. So making my way to this thrift shop called Land. The homie recommended it. Let's check it out. So what do they have, Craig? What type of shit?
Solomon's, you got New Balance, Nike, a couple local brands,
What's up?
couple high
Is it like
brands.
new stuff or like used?
No, all new stuff.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
so this one, not so much a thrift shop, more like a hype store.
Yeah.
Good,
Cool.
Good selection of stuff though.
Check it out. Right here. Oh yeah. Let's start with the song. Oh, it's closed. Oh well.
We go down a block, they got another one.
Let's go.
Damn, this is sure I'm gonna come to.
Here, Lebanese homie in here. They're playing like some Arabic music.
That's where I ate that.
Oh shit!
The burps.
Let's get you out of here.
Shit was good, but collateral damage.
So, what do you think about the city, Craig? Do you like this city?
Yeah, it's straight.
Yeah.
I like it, not my favorite, but it's got potential, good vibe, you know.
True.
A little slow for my liking. I like it. I like a little more commotion, more people.
I feel you.
Things going on.
It's not like New York.
Yeah, Chicago,
New York, bro. I miss that vibe. It's only like it's like
Yeah,
you know, it's a New York vibe.
Yeah. It's like
Every time of the day, there's people walking, doing their things. Like
always something going on.
Yeah. Well, one of the next videos would be there.
Hey, come visit me.
Yeah, for shizzle, bro. Yeah, well, if you move there, I'll be there quick.
Hell yeah.
It's like I think there's a quick flight from Berlin.
Straight flight.
Yeah, straight. Yeah, like 7 hours. And I'm in JFK, whipping out the stick. Hey guys, new video in New York City.
Tap in.
Craig, oh yeah.
This other one called Bacon.
Cool. So just making our way in downtown San Diego, going from store to store. We just had some nice tacos. Too bad the camera was not working, so I couldn't film it. But yeah. It's close to, or? Alright, just gonna go check it out. I'm not sure if I can film. I'll see you guys later. Alright, we just left this store called Bait. Has some cool stuff. Looking for some like nice. So Craig, how's the quality in Bait? Do you like it?
I liked it. With decent prices, not a big selection. But
How about the other store that was closed? Is it better?
nah, that's less. Definitely more
like pieces.
I think so. This one has more pieces,
Yeah.
but I feel like the other one has depends on like if you're
More
into
special
shoes.
pieces.
Yeah, like they had like maybe 12 different colorways of Solomon's.
Damn. The ones we saw at the door.
Yeah.
I thought those the XC4 OG.
They got those, but in like 2-3 different colorways of pop. I like and the vibe. Like you see this store, they're just kind of chill. The other store do, yo, where you from? What kind of brands you like? He's the reason that I bought a hat that I bought, you know?
Different
we
energy.
chatted it up for 10-15 minutes. I said, fuck it, let me get this hat.
True that. Alright, so what's the move now?
You want to stay
Shall we
downtown?
hit the beach?
Go to La Jolla?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see what's there.
Let's go. Get your homies there. From Istanbul. Oh, it's so sunny, it's so nice. It's really.
Yeah, La Jolla will be nice. Only 20 minutes to there, too.
Let's go. Makes a difference from the cold Berlin weather.
Shit, none of that here.
Well, even when you were there, it was not that sunny. Or...
You want some taquitos for the road?
Oh yeah, I love them. Those are my favorite.
You can fit a couple in the pocket.
They makes you sick. Oh yeah, actually I want to get a drink from there actually.
bus to the airport.
Yeah?
This stop right here. Download the app. Click clack, 250. Uber, 25 bucks.
Damn, 250 go to airport?
$2.50.
Damn, it's a good deal.
Uber, $24.
In Paris, you have to pay like 13, I think,
Yeah.
for the train. Thank you, sir. 7-Eleven, baby. You don't have that vitamin one. So 7-Eleven didn't have my favorite drink called vitamin water. It's actually a company made by 50 Cent, so they don't have it. So yeah, on to is that the bus for the airport? No?
929 was the airport, and it'll say airport on the bus. So each stop, it's got a list of like which one. So this one had like 8 buses that pull up.
Yeah.
So I just wait there till the 929, slide out, got in front of the east stop.
That's a sick, no? This is sick BMW. It's like the one that you need in Miami.
Look at that SUV right there.
Yeah. Do we have to go straight? Or we...
I'm putting it in right now.
I think we gotta go this way. Get the Istanbul doner kebab. Donors everywhere. Here, if I feel homesick, I'm just gonna go to this doner kebab thing from Istanbul.
Oh, but look, it's such a big, nice spot.
Yeah.
Nobody in there.
But
Maybe it's not open. So.
I'm not sure that it's gonna be the same.
Yeah.
It's like me eating tacos in Berlin. It's not like the experience we had now, you know, and vice versa.
That's authentic, you know?
I remember I tried kebab or like doner in Vegas last time.
Yeah.
It was definitely not the same. But yeah, I mean,
Yo, you know what my boy told me? So we're used to like, as American, well, he's Lebanese, but I'm American, but like, I'm used to like getting like a doner. So I like the Durham, which is the wrap.
yeah,
So I
it's
usually
easy
get,
to eat.
Yeah, it's perfect, bro. Perfect on the go. I get a Durham wrap,
Yeah,
grub it, and then I'm out. But I like the sauces. So I like the tahini, I like the spicy,
yeah.
I like the mixture, the meat.
See, there they don't have much sauces. They have 3 sauces.
Where?
Either in Germany,
Yeah.
either like spicy,
Yep.
or the garlic one,
Yep.
or the herby one with herbs and shit.
Okay. Well, he told me because remember my other homies went through to Istanbul, and he said that the doner there was different.
Yeah, but you gotta know that doner was made, or like not made. It was like the Turks made it in Germany,
Yeah.
not in Turkey.
Yeah.
So that's why the doner there is different.
Okay.
Because like it was a creation that was made by the Turks in Germany.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. Yeah. Who was I? We were talking about this. Somebody in when I was in Berlin, they were
Yeah.
talking about how somebody came, they had the idea. The next thing you know, they're fucking on every corner.
Yeah. And I fuck with the bread one because like the bread can be crispy
The
and
sandwich,
stuff. Yeah.
That's the doner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the other one is the Durham. Yeah.
The Durham.
It's
Yeah.
pretty cool sometimes, like when you're like, yeah, when you don't want to struggle with the sauces
Yeah,
everywhere
bro,
and,
fuck it, just-
and the fruits falling. I mean the fruits, like the veggies falling and shit.
Yeah, bro. I need something quick.
But like with some nice crispy bread,
Oh.
also adds up to the
Nice
taste.
little texture to it.
Nice onions, just how we like them.
The raw onions.
Yes,
Give me that,
sir. I don't care if I have a date or not. I'm eating that raw onion. But back in the day, sometimes I would care. But then the doner would not be the same. I'm telling you.
Of course.
It's just
bro.
gonna be lame a bit, like, you know?
Or the like the garlic, bro. I'd be like that, go on a date, like, oh shit, I can't eat too much garlic. It's gonna make my breath stink.
Did you say I'll kill him?
Huh?
Did you say I'll kill him?
Yeah, I'm just gonna kill them all.
Damn.
I don't know why.
Alright. Let's go La Jolla, boy.
Yeah, bro.
I ain't trying to like
Trying to live.
turn off here.
Fucking shooting heroin right there.
Huh?
That guy was shooting heroin.
Really?
Yeah.
I see that a lot in Berlin. Berlin, like you see them like chilling in like you probably saw them in U-Bahn stations.
Yeah. They come up fucking like zombies around the corner.
Yeah. I mean, mostly they don't interact with the people. That's a good thing. But you find some people that like not well in their head, and they just
Bro, it's kind of wild. They just have full conversations with themselves, bro.
yeah, bro. That's mental sickness. It's sad. People like this should be like treated like
Put
should
in
get
some
them
kind of
and treat
hospital or
them. Yeah.
something. Not just let them fucking roam around
But
downtown,
that's the expensive solution, you know.
Exactly.
Man,
You might have your vitamin water here. You want to look?
yeah, they're like going crazy on the Newport in East Coast. How you doing? Newport cigarettes.
Oh, yeah. New York, that's the number one.
Yeah,
My mom smokes Newports.
I remember that. I remember in New York, everyone was drinking it.
Newport shorts. Where's that vitamin water?
Yeah.
Dragon fruit.
Hey, my boy.
Big boy, too.
Yeah, I
Oh,
should
there's a
go.
smaller one to the left.
Yeah. Let's get the coffee. Which one do you like?
I usually get this lemonade one, but then I got it. Orange one is good, too.
Can you believe this song is legit?
They will wire 10% of his money tomorrow at a 7-day close.
You're gonna tell me
Hi, how you doing?
so I should do it.
Wire 10%. How you doing?
Good, pretty
What
good.
is that, a camera? What kind
Yep.
of camera is that?
It's the 360. It's like this thing that takes over everything.
Nice.
Yeah,
I like it.
it's
Anything
pretty
else?
cool. I'm good,
Is it
thanks.
expensive?
It's alright.
Few
I
hundred?
got it like around like 500.
Okay.
But
Not
this
bad.
model is getting old, so you might get it like cheaper now.
This was a couple years ago.
Yeah, it was like 2 years ago.
It's a little slow. Give me a sec.
It's all good. Take your time.
Where are you from?
Morocco.
Morocco.
Where are you from?
Iraq. My family's
Iraq.
from Iraq.
So you speak Arabic then?
Yeah, a little bit.
Shukran.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Big
Alright,
time.
take care,
Have
bro.
a good one,
See you
guys.
next time.
Thank you.
Peace out. This guy had the Italians of New York vibe.
Yeah, right?
Huh?
Not that right. Is that a camera?
I thought he was gonna complain
Me
about it.
too.
Like, shit. I was like,
here.
Craig got me by surprise. Your entrance. I was like, send it.
That's my peace offer. Yo, take this Moroccan boy. He's having
No one can check this Moroccan boy.
hit his camera.
Yeah, bro. This thing is it's really one of my favorite things here in America.
They got it in the back of Berlin or no?
Nah, fuck no. They have like some weak ass vitamin waters too,
Yeah.
but they're not the same.
Yeah, this shit took over, bro, because this was.
I think he sold it. He doesn't own it anymore. 50 Cent, or?
No, he sold it.
For like 50 million or
Oh,
something.
yeah. But he made crazy money because I think he's, like, right after he sold it, he sued them for something. So
No
he
way.
got the money from the deal, and then he got some crazy
Wow.
payout because he won the case. I don't remember the exact reason.
He had
for
a
what.
nice Jewish lawyer, I guess.
Yeah, oh yeah. Achael. Shalom. No, but I think this popped off because it came out around the time when, like, there wasn't a lot of alternatives, you know? It was just like soda,
Yeah.
juice, or water. So this came out, it was more of a healthy
Oh, it's
alternative.
a healthy drink. I don't know about that part if it's really healthy, but I guess.
Healthier.
See that? They got all day happy hour here. Beers for $5. Been hearing about these Brazilian places. You told me
This
too
the one I
about
told
them.
you, yeah.
Was this one too?
No, this is the one, yeah, Fogo de Chao, and then there's another big chain called Texas State Brazil.
Yeah.
It's two, pretty much the same concept. Shisha.
Oh no, miss me with that. Miss me with the.
It's a nice vibe in there, bro.
Yeah,
It's nice.
it's a shisha vibe. You're becoming a shisha boy, huh?
No, never, bro. That's not my vibe. You want to see me all white and
The
sweaty, bro? Give me the
Padres.
shisha.
Damn.
I'm drunk enough, I'll do it and not regret it.
Yeah, mixing that shit. I remember like one time it really killed me. It really fucked up with my stomach too bad I was puking the whole night.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Because I drank milk before,
Oh.
and apparently you don't want to mix it with milk.
Yeah. This way.
Alright guys, we're just tourists, so we just crossed from, not crossing spots basically. Oh man, the weather here is like nice.
Heaven.
It gets the cold out of my bones, bro.
Get you thawed out.
All right, so what's the next step,
Jolla?
Kirk? La Jolla?
Yeah, bro, it's nice. We get some
Okay.
good video out
Was
there.
it the one we went up or we went down? Was it like on the cliff or like down on the
It's on
water?
the cliffs, but it's both. Like, so the cliffs are on the water. We didn't go down to it. We were up high and you could see down.
Yeah.
But when you go there, you see the seals.
Yeah, let's go see these.
Yeah.
I never was able to see them for like.
It's tight. It'll make for some good video. It smells like shit, but it's worth it. You walk around the cliffs.
Oh, the people wouldn't smell the shit, so. It's a win for them, loss for us, kind of situation. But fuck it.
Seals are a little cuter, you know?
Yeah. Down by skyscrapers too.
Yeah, that's cool.
I didn't see many in Miami as well, or there are a lot.
No, Brickell, yeah. Brickell, you go downtown, fucking massive ones, bro.
Okay.
Like 60.
I was in that like tagging thing.
Yeah. Wynwood.
Place with the, yeah, they don't have much
Not too
there.
many over there.
Yeah. You boys. Boy, trying to clean the desk for the next customer.
No, see, I'll go to places like that and I'll look through the racks, find me some nice deals.
Nice.
Places like that are cool too, because you can usually throw a deal together, you know? I got 3 shirts, 20 a pop. Yo, I'll give you 50 for all 3.
Yeah, they do that?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Really?
That's why,
nice.
like, these are like independently owned, you know? So
Alright,
they got a little more bargaining power.
Cool. Also, one more thing I hate here, like when you want to buy something,
Yeah.
and then you see the price and like, oh yeah, fine. Then there's the tax coming
Yeah,
up.
of course.
Bro, I was relieved when I
Sales
moved
tax.
to Germany.
Yeah.
Fuck out of here,
Well,
motherfuckers.
here, I noticed here it's expensive. It's like almost 10%.
Damn.
Anything's 100, that's another 10 on top.
Bro, that's a lot of money. I mean, extra for no reason.
Yeah, bro. Go to the government.
All right, let's send it.
Back to the rain.
All right. We just got to La Jolla. It's a famous place here in San Diego.